snack, darling?
What you got?
I don't you bought stuff.
Yeah, got any of those little pork pies?
No.
Any sausage rolls?
No.
Good, all saturated fat.
Yeah, and it'd be really bad if we eat them all the time, but once in a blue moon, it's nice to have a little pork pie. You're not straight. You're not straight.
I am on this side.
Oh, but look at that. Look in front of you. Look in front of you. Do you look straight? No.
Yeah. That'll do you. There's extra 3 millimetres.
It makes all the difference.
So this is Ainsdale Beach, quite typical of the area, lots of sand dunes and a tide that seems to go out forever and seldom seems to come back in again. Little sea potato, species of sea urchin. Used to get these quite a lot in Cornwall, and I used to call them sea mice down there because you usually find the spines on them, and it was like a soft coating of fur. Day 2, Ainsdale Beach. We didn't fly the Mavic yesterday because it was a little bit windy, so we thought we'd come today and fly it, and it is absolutely blowing up a monster today. But we're going to fly anyway because we're a bit stupid.
Chocolate biscuit with chicken soup.
Yeah?